Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And so we got an unboxing today for you guys, and this is strictly an unboxing. I will do a separate video pretty much telling you guys my first impressions after using it for some time, at least 24 hours before I do that. But anyways, let's go ahead and cut this box open, and we'll reveal what's inside, and we're greeted with a card on top. Nice surprise you've got here. Very interesting and very cool. Let's open this up, and a little message from my lady. So big shout out to her for making this possible. And yeah, without her, this unboxing would not be possible today. And so here they are, guys, the Pixel Buds. And I know I am late to the game. There's been a massive amount of people who have gotten these and have done unboxings already and are already on their reviews of the Pixel Buds. But again, better late than ever. And yeah, so at least you guys will get my perspective of what these are like. Now again, you guys see a little picture in the back with them in the ear. Look like someone jabbed a Mentos in there. So shout out to Mr. Mobile Tech, I guess. Mr. Mobile himself called them Mentoses. But I'm very interested in knowing how these are going to sound. I do have a couple of wireless Bluetooth earbuds, and so I am going to compare these to my TrebLabs X5s, and yeah, so we'll see how those go. But here I am fighting with the box. Cellophane wrapped really tight on this thing, so let's go ahead and get this plastic off, and yeah, let's open it up, see if it's got the infamous box fart, which sounds like it might have it, and no box fart. Oh well. So here they are, and just like a lot of people say, they do look like an egg. So let's check out what's inside the rest, the contents inside here. So you do have different size ear cushions, as you guys seen in other unboxing videos, and it does come with a USB to Type-C cable. I've got a couple of these, so I'll probably just leave this one in the box as a backup in case I ever need it. What else comes inside? Well, it looks like there's a booklet in there, and it's jammed in there pretty tough. So let's see if we can get this thing out. Maybe like a Google sticker, or maybe a Pixel sticker. Nope, no stickers. What a bummer. I would have loved if they threw like a sticker in there, like the G logo, or even Team Pixel sticker. That would have been dope. But oh well. So that's all the contents that's in the box. Let me just put this stuff off to the side. Like I said, I'll put the Type-C cable back inside the box. I got a bunch of them around here. So, and it wirelessly charges too, and I do have a couple of wireless charging docks, so I can just wirelessly charge these Pixel Buds. So let's go ahead and take the secure sticker off of them. And you know what? I'm gonna tell you guys right now, just the way that they feel in the hand, they do feel premium. If you're someone who cares about something having to feel premium, then I'm gonna tell you guys they do. I love that click when you open it. That's like a nice little click to it when you open it and close it. So that's actually pretty cool. Again, I'm going to try these out. Let's see how well they pair with my Pixel 2 here. Supposedly you open it and it's going to pair. But maybe I do have to turn on Bluetooth on my Pixel. So let's find that out. Yep, let's turn on Bluetooth, and then I'm gonna clear out my notifications, and there it is, the little notification to pair the Pixel Buds with it. So yeah, pop it open. So let's do this again, up close, pop open, notification, boom, there it is. Compare it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set these up. Like I said, I'm gonna try them out. I'm gonna wear them for a couple of hours. I'm gonna listen to a bunch of podcasts just to kind of see how long I can get on a on the usage, and I will have that for the full review. But anyways, you guys will get my 24 hours impressions tomorrow. So that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments area. Smash that like button if you guys enjoyed it, and if you decide to give me a follow or a subscribe, I appreciate that. Thanks so much for doing so, and as always, aloha.